Hey, what can I say? It's like it's a New Year's Eve, and I'm going to work now, and then it's gonna be. I hope the weather is gonna be nice tonight. We're gonna be having fireworks and a buffet outside. So happy New Year to everyone. I hope to see you next year. Anyway, tomorrow is next year, right? So it's a happy New Year and have a safe New Year and for everyone, to my family, to my friends, and to everybody. And hope to see you. And thank you so much. And that's it. I'm going to work now, and I'm gonna take a little bit snap video, what's going on and what's happening down there. All right. One orange juice. Two, maybe two, please. Orange juice.
Alright, let's make some smoke and music.
Brother! Wyndham! Woo! Woo! That's it for now.
Yeah, we'd like to welcome to the stage, all the way from Barbados, Sandra.
Cheers, man.
We have a guest appearance on the stage tonight. Straight from Bar, direct flight from King Airways.
All right, the New Year is done. Everybody's gone home. So, see, me and Benji is trying to finish the bar right now. Hey, by the way, Benji is working with me today. He is in Cayman Island right now. So, hey, see. We'll start setting up for tomorrow. See, you're feeling? Benji, happy New Year, man.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy New Year!
Okay. So, everybody's done. Everybody's go home. We're still here. We're trying to finish it. And almost done anyway. So again, please, again, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology. My IG, my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. And Happy New Year. Thank you so much. And I see you next time. Alright. Take a look at the view right now. Like nobody's empty. Like packed, really busy tonight. Everybody's coming. So now let me check what is the time right now. It's 1:23 in the morning. So Happy New Year. Have a good night. Have a good morning. I see you next time. Alright.